Earth has nearly died more than once. Not slowly, not gently, but violently. There were times when the sky darkened, when forests collapsed, when oceans suffocated, when most life on this planet simply vanished. In those moments, the dominant creatures of the world disappeared. And yet, something small remained: cockroaches. Over the last 500 million years, Earth has gone through at least 5 mass extinctions. Events so extreme that more than half of all living species were erased. Some were caused by volcanic winters, some by collapsing oxygen levels, some by asteroid impacts. Each one reshaped the planet. Each one deleted entire ecosystems. And each time, life had to begin again. Mass extinctions don't only kill animals. They destroy food. Sunlight weakens. Plants die. Oxygen drops. Oceans turn hostile. When that happens, specialists suffer first. Creatures dependent on one environment, one temperature, or one food source have nowhere to go. They vanish. Cockroaches were never specialists. They never built their survival around one plant, one prey, or one climate. They became generalists. They eat decay. They eat waste. They eat dead life. They eat what remains when everything else is gone. When ecosystems collapse, cockroaches do not starve. They switch. Their bodies are small, flattened, armored, built not to rule, but to disappear. When firestorms move across land, when forests fall, when the surface becomes hostile, the safest place is not dominance. It is hiding. Cockroaches slip into cracks, under debris, inside the remains of a broken world. Even their breathing is designed for disaster. Cockroaches can survive on far less oxygen than humans. When air becomes thin, toxic, or unstable, they slow their bodies. They wait. While larger animals collapse, cockroaches enter biological patience. Extinction never kills everything. It leaves fragments. Cockroaches are built for fragments. They reproduce quickly. They protect their young inside hardened egg cases. They turn a few survivors into many. When the world resets, they are already rebuilding. Cockroaches do not survive alone. Inside them live symbiotic bacteria that help digest materials most animals cannot use. Wood, cellulose, decaying matter. They carry their ecosystem inside their bodies. When the outside world fails, their inner one continues. They lived before dinosaurs. They lived alongside them. They lived after they vanished. They outlasted trilobites, giant insects, ice age mammals, not by strength, not by intelligence, but by refusing to depend on a perfect world. They were background life, and background life survives collapse. Today, forests fall again. Air changes again. Ecosystems are replaced by concrete. To many species, this is another extinction. To cockroaches, it is simply another environment. We call them pests. Evolution calls them successful. Cockroaches did not survive disasters. They were shaped by them. They are not symbols of decay. They are products of it. And as long as Earth continues to change, something like them will always remain. Long after monuments erode, long after cities fall, long after dominant life disappears, there will still be something small, moving in the cracks,